as part of the activities that we are doing in natural resources monitoring, we have this platform that we're developing. We're on the test phase. We've done the pilot, and now we are scaling. We're about to scale it up in another phase of this project, where we bring Earth observation tools that will help in forest monitoring. So one of the tools here is called the TrophMIS. It's not yet rolled out for wider type of monitoring at this stage because it's in development phase, where we look at the different products. Many countries are still not able to quantify their carbon emissions. So we are giving a solution on carbon emissions monitoring based on the forest changes. I won't get too scientific in it. There was a session on it earlier on yesterday. So I won't get very scientific on it, but it's supposed to help institutions that are in forest monitoring, like the Kenya Forest Service, Tanzania Forestry Services Agency, Uganda, and the likes, to be able to look at their status of the forest from a satellite perspective, to use other indicators to develop products like observing forest disturbance in a forest on certain dates. They're able to look at the dates in a month, for example, in January until probably like today, and put an analysis period also that they want to compare, to look at a baseline period that they want to use as a long-term comparison, analysis period that they want to look at in the current type of monitoring. For example, if you want to compare what has been happening, for example, in 2021 versus what we have today, at the end of the year, and look at the changes that are happening within that time in your forests using different satellite indicators like Sentinel-1, and you're able to generate those products. And when you generate those products, you can use in your day-to-day reporting. You can also use these products to design your management practices. Where will you plant more trees? Where are there flagged forest activities that are flagged for example, there's a lot of intrusion from the farming communities. There's a lot of tree poaching. So this one solution that we are developing, and we are further improving it by merging with other international forest monitoring systems using methods accepted by the UNFCCC, IPCC also, methods that have been approved by them to look at the status of the forest in the region. And we are just providing different tools that decision makers can be able to use, technical organizations can be able to use to advise, for example, tree planting. Where will you do your tree planting activities? Where do you do other management practices like community-based resource management, integrated management programs with the communities that are posing a threat to the communities? So I won't dwell a lot on this, but just to inform you, there are different technologies that we're doing or promoting at ICPAC, and very soon we'll be launching them in the future Climate Outlook Forum and to different users. But they're all based at monitoring the current resources and helping the decision makers plan on where to do different management practices. So I won't dwell much on that. It was just an exposure to this. I'll put the links that you can see on the chart on the different systems that we have. You can interact with them later, just recognizing that the audience here is not all very technical in terms of monitoring using satellite data.